As you heard, YouTube announced their new policies to proceed monetizing feature on for your YouTube channel. In this video, me, Mr. Robo and Julie will discuss about this topic, which will help to let you know about all you want to know to start YouTube channel. So Julie have some confusion. She is going to ask some questions which will be very helpful for you.
Okay sir, so my first question is why YouTube changed the policies?
Okay, let's have a look on some history. Couple of years ago it was very easy to join YouTube and start to earn from YouTube. But as time passed, there come a lot of unwanted content creators such as soft porn and stuff like to seek the attentions. So the investors of YouTube won't show their company's ads on those vagular or meaningless videos. So the investors of YouTube refuse to invest on YouTube. That make them constrained to make new policies to make the investor satisfied.
Great, and what are the new policies?
For the new creators, their channel must need 4,000 hours of annual viewing time and over 1,000 subscribers in past 12 months to monetize the videos on YouTube. YouTube is tightening the rules around its partner program and raising the requirements that a channel or creator must meet in order to monetize videos.
Okay Mr. Robo, what do you think, it is a good action by YouTube or not?
Well, I believe this is quite good action taken by YouTube because it will finish the fake creators and you will have the monetizing feature on merit basis. It is not a tough task if your content is good and interesting. You need to upload your videos frequently to fulfill YouTube's requirements. Please subscribe the channel for more techs and comment below if you have any question I will try to figure out. Thanks.